You first have to put in a support bar here on the side of the bed. That is both for keeping the leg in place when driving or when opening it up with some magnets, but also to hold that pop pin to keep the bed in an upright position. So first make a few temporary holes. Let me just make sure. One 7/16. Now I'm gonna install this pop pin. So I have to drill a larger hole the size of the pop pin with a Formica bit. Continue on the other side where there's some Formica, so trying to avoid any splintering. So here I got my pilot hole that I drilled first, and I'll use that to locate my Formica bit. That came out fairly nice. So the next step is to install the pop pin, and that looks like this. And now I still have to do the opposite part in the bed. Now on the bed itself I have to make a hole to accommodate the pop pin, and I'll put a washer on there as an inlay. That looks good. Okay, and then I follow with the hole itself, which shouldn't be too deep. So over here I need to glue a magnet. Next piece, that's the washer for the bed lock pop pin. And first I have to reinstall my leg. This one. Then I got my magnet here for the leg, so that'll stay in place when I'm lowering it, as well as I got my locking nuts, let me say it that way, or locking washer. I'm gonna fit the extra plate here for the pop pin and glue it on this surface. So I'll make this a little bit rough, just for the glue to hold a little bit better. That should be okay. Okay, let's hope. Okay, now I'll continue with the other side. Okay, and that has to dry 24 hours, so and when this is dried, I'll put another piece of Formica on top of it just to finish it off. I'm gonna put this cover on first with some glue. Let me see. I got the pop-in lock on the left side of the bed, but just for security I wanted to have another stop at the right side of the bed as well. A pop-in doesn't work there for several reasons, and I have been looking at different solutions that could have been simpler. What I came to is just a stop that I connect to the side wall and keep it in front of the bed. So whenever the bed is up, put the pop-in in, and then go to the right side of the bed, put this in the right side, and that keeps the bed from opening up as well. It's half an hour later, and I glue these two together with a screw in between, and I have to add this third piece. It's getting dark already. Okay, that's the result. I'll be sanding this off a little bit, make everything smooth. What I'll do is I'll probably, just for decoration, cut one corner at an angle and then cover it with Formica. That's it. Probably the rest of the day I'll be busy putting Formica on this thing, because I can only put 1 or 2 layers each time and it has to dry and so on. So what I'll do is I'll start with the back. That's good. This is just a mock-up, but helps me figure out the sizes and what's suitable. I tried Joey in it as well, and I think I'll be able to get used to it. So this is the first step of building my dog bed on the passenger seat, and I used a 1/2 inch plywood for stability, and added on top a 1/4 inch plywood, in this case with a cherry finish. Makes it a little bit nicer. So first get the edges straightened out. Okay, then I take my sample bed, the prototype, and then I'll make a copy of it. Now I need to locate the opening on the original. Now we're putting a groove in. It's for a metal bar that's still on the passenger seat, but that doesn't go all the way through, so just partially. So let's see what I can get that done. Now I have to check whether this fits, otherwise I have to widen it a little bit. Well, I've made at least the bottom, roughly. So let's see how that works. Now I have to add some sides. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.